Use of a reference image makes our models more recognisable and saves creation time. Intricate curves and details, such as the axe handle, will be detailed accurately. There is no need to guess and constantly readjust the model as the details are present in the reference image. Press space to maximise the viewport you want to set a background reference image on. In object mode, press the BG image button to choose the background reference image file to use. Alternatively, use the Geometry, Create, BG Image menu item. To replace the reference image, click on the Create button and choose another image file. To delete the reference image from the current viewport, click on the Delete button. Delete all reference images by clicking Delete All. To flip the reference image, use the Flip Vertically and Flip Horizontally buttons. To adjust the opacity or transparency of the reference image, click and drag the opacity slider. Drag the green arrowhead to move the image up and down within the viewport. Drag the red arrowhead to move the image left and right within the viewport. Drag the green sphere up and down to resize the image vertically. Drag the red sphere left and right to resize horizontally. Drag the yellow diagonal stripe to resize uniformly. Dragging the outer cyan ring rotates the image. Dragging the inner blue ring rotates and provides visual feedback relative to the last rotation. Dragging the blue square in the centre of the transform control freely moves the image in the viewport. Click the Reset button to quickly revert all reference image adjustments. A short sped up demonstration is shown using the axe reference image as a modelling guide. First, the axe head is modelled by laying a plane down, extruding and scaling to make the shape outline. The plane is then given thickness with the shell command, making it a 3D object. The axe handle is modelled by sketching a spline around the outer edges. The spline is then used to create a polygon using the Spline Polygon StreamLine Tool. Drag with the left mouse button to set the number of segments to approximate the curve width. The resulting polygon is then thickened with the same shell command as the axe head.